And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 142. Let me show the Pointilize effect. But first, let me create an ellipse. Here we can see it better. Simply going to take the shape and then break it down into little circles. I'm going to randomize the colors a little bit, but it depends on the color of your image, or in this case the ellipse, what colors will be there. So you can see everything is more like a darker color palette. And with the cell size, you can make that bigger or smaller. Now on the image, it's a little bit brighter. Again, we go to Filter, Pixelate, Pointilize. There you can find it. And now our circles are all brighter. So it's trying to preserve the color palette somewhat. That's in the original. You can always double click here in your layers menu and then readjust that. So if you want to make that smaller or bigger. 3 is the lowest, 300 the biggest, and this is how you can create this Pointilize effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.